Although cryptocurrencies have been studied and argued for a long time, they are just now becoming known as financial tools that may be used and accessible by people other than die-hard enthusiasts. Because they make it simpler to access cash and financial services, cryptocurrencies have the potential to promote social and economic development everywhere in the world, particularly in underdeveloped nations. The highly practical yet disruptive nature of cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin in particular, has started to gradually but steadily interfere with the way the conventional financial system functions. So in this video we will discuss about how can cryptocurrency reshape the global economy? Before we begin, subscribe to our channel now for more. Number 5. An increase in economic activity that is beneficial. A whole sector of the economy has already been created around cryptocurrencies, and it is controlled by organizations tasked with monitoring all the global trades of digital currency. Early adopters who became wealthy overnight and discovered chances for financial growth may attest to the earth-shattering rate at which the Bitcoin sector is expanding. Many people and businesses have already been able to expand and flourish thanks to Bitcoin, the most well-known of these cryptocurrencies, and many also rely on trading as their main source of income. Cryptocurrencies have a huge potential to meet these needs as the economy gradually changes to accommodate them. Number 4. Terrific opportunities for countries with poor bank systems, including loans, checking accounts, and a long range of other essential banking services. More than 1/3 of the world's population lacks access to these services. These individuals, who are frequently already financially vulnerable, frequently turn to risky and dubious lending tactics. These activities have unfair interest rates, which causes the people who applied for the loan to become even more unstable. This is where cryptocurrencies, with their high volatility and user friendliness, come into play. Nowadays, there are a lot of apps and tools that make it easier to utilize cryptocurrencies and make them more accessible to a larger audience. The fact that cryptocurrencies are entirely decentralized and allow for cross-border trading is an additional advantage of their use. A financial revolution made possible by the use of technology will make everyone more financially connected, empowered, and enabled. Number 3. Minimal transaction fees. The transaction costs for cryptocurrencies and blockchain are very low because they don't require a physical brick-and-mortar structure to exist. Since no rent, utilities, or employee costs need to be paid, these savings automatically translate into minimal transaction fees. This then encourages more and more people to start using these new financial tools and transacting, resulting in a closer integration of the world economy. You may even be able to trade with no minimum deposit requirements, like given by CryptoRocket, depending on the broker you choose. Number 2. Enhanced transaction transparency. All cryptocurrency and blockchain transactions are digitalized, automated, and recorded in a distributed ledger. The nicest thing about it is that there is very little chance of fraud and corruption because it cannot be influenced by either people or businesses. Because of this, developing nations also stand a better opportunity of participating in financial transactions and improving their own economies and social prospects. Additionally, residents will be able to monitor the direction of governmental finances and will thereby have a voice inside their local political environment. Number 1. Strengthening business owners. With the ability to accept payments in additional currencies thanks to blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies, there has never been a more successful time to start a business. One such organization that aids African business owners in doing financial transactions with firms in Europe, America, and Asia is BitPesa. The goal is to assist small and medium-sized businesses worldwide in obtaining better financial protection and an emancipated financial link with the rest of the globe. Entrepreneurs may easily convert alternative currencies into fiat money using BitPesa and 10x's digital wallet, which they can then use for investments, purchases, and payments related to their businesses. The pace of change in the globe is accelerating. The rapid adoption of cryptocurrencies is a glaring sign that established financial institutions are no longer able to adequately hold down the fort and that new financial requirements are emerging. Similar to how there is a rising need to eliminate borders in order to achieve full social and financial inclusion, blockchain technology provides all the tools necessary to address these concerns. It will only be a matter of time before these cryptocurrencies firmly establish themselves in our lives, improving them with an eye toward inclusion and economic prosperity. Thanks to the incredible opportunities that cryptocurrencies present, millions of people will now be able to save money, send money across borders, invest, and launch businesses. Similar to how mobile phones and the internet disrupted our lives, cryptocurrency has the potential to do the same. Mobile phones were initially believed to be used solely to bridge the physical distance between individuals by enabling them to communicate thousands of kilometers apart. But as technology developed, it changed every part of human existence, from banking to browsing, as well as how we communicate. Similar to how cryptocurrency's core technology is still developing, nobody is quite sure where it will go. The financial system won't be the same again, though, and that seems to be a given. Some claim that because cryptocurrencies do away with the need for intermediaries like banks, they will have a negative effect on the world economy, especially the developing ones. They mostly discuss how new it is and how many users don't trust it. They also mention the lack of regulatory authority and the tremendous volatility that cryptocurrency coins frequently exhibit. Some claim that the absence of rules makes it democratic. They contend that Bitcoin offers unrivaled assistance for financial inclusion in developing nations because of greater transaction transparency made possible by its decentralized ledger system, cheap transaction costs, and ability to outperform inflation if it is used as a store of value. Regardless of the reasons, El Salvador became the first nation in the world to accept Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, in addition to US dollars as legal tender, in September 2021. It must have thought its use had some merit. Additionally, several other nations are creating or considering creating their own cryptocurrency, known as the Central Bank Digital Currency (CBDC). Because it lessens governmental supervision and facilitates economic transactions, corporations mostly prefer cryptocurrencies. Most users find it simple to trade and do business. The changeover, though, may be where the main problem lies. How quickly or slowly we are able to change in order to accommodate this new, technologically driven trading style. Whether or not cryptocurrencies will help or hurt the world economy will depend on how easily we make the shift. But it will undoubtedly alter the current system. This is it for today's video. Do share your views with us in the comments and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.